Hey everybody, thanks for tuning back in. My name is Siberia from Chasing Siberia, and today we're going to be making a reusable to-do list. So let's just get right into it. This is pretty easy. This video is probably going to be really short because that's how easy this DIY is. So without further ado, let's get started. What you will need: a picture frame, a photo, scissors, Mod Podge is optional, and a paintbrush. So this is super easy. Take out the generic picture they have in every picture frame, size the photo so that it fits in the frame, and glue it to the cardboard backing. If you don't glue it to the back of the frame, you can change out the photo whenever you like. So that's how you make the reusable to-do list. Like I said, it's pretty easy. Thank you so much for watching. It really means a lot to me. If you guys want to follow me on social media, my links will be in the description below. And if you would like to help support this channel by donating $1 or more a month, you can visit my Patreon. And once you become a Patreon, you receive earlier access to my videos by 1 day. I know the weather in Iowa has been a little bad lately, so my ability to upload right on Monday has kind of been a little hard, so I'm hoping that we're not going to get any more bad weather so I can get the videos uploaded to Patreon on time. But again, it really helps me out. I also made a Discord if any of you are interested in joining. The link for that will be in the description below. Of course, it's not super active right now. And if you like this video, please like and share with your friends. Again, that helps me out, and it means a lot to me. It lets me know I'm doing something right. If you guys have any requests or maybe you want to see something on the channel, just let me know. I'm more than happy to try and accommodate. Again, it means a lot to me. I really enjoy making videos, so thank you if you are watching this. And as always, stay crafty, my friends.